Have you been studied of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in your school, in your syllabus?
No.
No? Nothing about it? Maratha Empire, Tanaji Malusare.
Short paragraph was there.
Short paragraph. Do you know the history of Maharashtra? No?
No.
Do you know Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj full name? No? Which is your board in which you are studying?
ICSE.
ICS.
CBSE.
CBSE.
ICSE.
ICSE?
ICS.
ICSE. Okay. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj full name?
No.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj full name? No?
Mughal Empire and Renaissance.
So there is nowhere the history for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Maharana Pratap or anything?
नहीं वो ये 10th में बोल रहे हैं.
अभी तक नहीं है.
नहीं अभी तक.
When the Mughals came, there was a few part around 1 page for Chhatrapati Shivaji.
Only one page.
That's it, and that also including them all in the Marathas.
Okay.
Maybe only 1-2 paragraphs.
Do you know Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj full name?
It is I don't.
मुगल एम्पायर है पर मराठा एम्पायर नहीं. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज फुल नेम?
शिवाजी नहीं शिवाजी क्या नाम?